Good afternoon, friends. My name is Zishan, and I am talking to you from one of my site here in Doha. Actually, I'm a civil engineer, and I want to share with you some of the important thoughts which I thought I should discuss with you. Uh, Here now it's almost 48, 49 degrees centigrade temperature, and people over here are still working. They're enjoying their works, and I'm also, of course, enjoying my work. You might be thinking why I'm telling to you, and what is the relation between my discussion which I want to offer to you, or the subject line of this video, and why I am sharing this issue with you. Actually, I want to share with you is that the topic related to some motivation and the mindset. You see here on this site we have almost 48, 49 degrees centigrade temperature, and people are still working. Why they are working? Why we are working? Don't we feel some hot? Don't we feel some problem while working in this such a hot weather? So friends, there are many requirements of you which you normally have in your life, and sometimes other than requirements you have some passions, you have some interest, and you have some desires which you need to fulfill in order to achieve your targets and goals. In my profession, or in my circles of friends, I have observed most of my friends, they, when I ask them why you are working in such a hot or such a tough conditions here, they normally reply me one thing, that is money. They say we need money, that's why we left our homes, we came in Doha, Qatar, or maybe Middle East, I mean far away from their homes, and then they work very hard, maybe 12 hours to 14 hours, and then they earn little money, go home, and this is the way they spend their whole life even. So basically, there are three basic things which we need to accomplish our targets. If these three things you get combined, you are successful. You are through. The very first thing is your interest to join some profession. Profession can be an engineering, maybe doctors, medical, economics, finance. There are so many professions in our world, and people just follow many. So the very first thing is your interest in some profession. Then the second thing is you need to get a proper education for that system. For example, I am a civil engineer. I had a passion to learn about construction. That's why I selected a line of civil engineering. I got admission in civil engineering, and then I properly studied the civil engineering for 5 years in a proper engineering university. I got a degree, and then the third thing is you find a proper platform, a proper organization or a company where you join them, you join a group, you join a people, a body of experts, and then you start implementing what you have learned. So the first thing is your passion, the second thing is you get proper education, the third thing is you go and take a platform where you can have some successful career. When these three things get combined, believe me, you are successful. Some people join some company, they don't have proper education, that's why they get fail. Some people, they have education and they get good company, but they don't have passion, that's why they fail. Some people, unfortunately I would say, and this is the worst condition of the people, I mean they have too much passion, they have the proper platform also, but they don't have education, so they get fail. So what these people needs to do is they need to go to some proper organization body, some proper education body. They need to learn what they want to do, and then they implement. In our civil engineering field, or maybe this applies to our overall all the fields, that if you want to do something and you don't know how you can do, then it's a big problem. I mean, you have to spend so much time for such a small matter. But if, for example, you know the thing and you want to resolve a problem, it can be resolved like this within seconds. But sometimes these seconds leads you to maybe days or months or sometimes years because of the lack of the education. So what I would suggest to you is, first you think what profession, what line, what uh, business you want to do, what kind of work you can do, and what you have the interest. Then you get the proper education. If you have proper education and if you have some passion also, it's a shortcut. Then you just need to find a proper uh, platform where you can where you can go and perform. So guys, you need to have develop your passion. You need to think inside you. You need to think about yourself, and you need to think what you can do. You get that education, and then you get a proper platform to be successful. Sometimes people think that they just can't do it. We are failure. We can't do it. Yeah. Many times I see many people who just complain or claim to me that, sir, we can't do it. Baba, how you can't do it, yaar? I don't understand. It's totally depend on your mental frequency. I can share with you one very good story of my own life even. Um, once Now I'm living in Doha, and once I was coming from my home country to Doha, uh, I was very upset actually. I was sitting in car with my brother, and he was coming to drop me at airport, and I was very upset and very sad because of course, I mean, it was natural. I was going away of my family. So he just observed and he asked me, Zishan, why you are so upset? I said, of course, bhai. Actually, bhai we call our brothers in our language. So I told him, of course, bhai, because I'm going away of my family. I'm going away from you. So now we are meeting, or we are taking food together. We are living together, and once I'll be away, it will be very difficult for me to talk to you, to live with you, to eat food with you, to play with you. So I remember he gave me a sentence. I followed that sentence, and believe me, this is $1 million sentence. He suggested me, he told me that, Zishan, look, now your mind is working on certain frequency. That frequency is saying that you are living with your family and you have to work while living with your family. And then it's a very small and very easy step. You just change your frequency of mind, your mind frequency. Once this frequency will be changed, once you will tune your frequency with the volume, with the frequency that you will be living alone, you will be living with your friends maybe, or your colleagues, and you will be working away of your family, away from your family. So just try it. I came outside this world. Can you please come here? No problem. You just come in the shadow. So what I did, I just changed my mind frequency. I thought, I decided by myself that I have to live alone. I have to live away from my family, and I have to work very hard. I did this and I was successful. Believe me, I mean, how many thousands, there are thousands of this type of examples are available in the world. How many examples do you need to take a step? I mean, you think on this, take a step, believe me, you take a step. If you will be just making your dream castles, and you will be thinking that someone will come and help you, and then you will be successful, and then you will become a king, it won't be happen. You have to take step in life, and you try, okay, just to be on safer side, you try your best to take a step with a minimum risk. Okay, let's take this issue in this way. You take the step, but you at least try. I am sure, I am damn sure you will be successful. You take some step in your life, you decide what you know, and then you find some passion in your mind, in your heart, and I'm sure you try to find some platform, I'm sure you will be successful. So guys, this is I wanted to share with you today. I felt little hot. My all people, they are just very tired. They look very tired, and they are working really very hard. but still they have this wonderful frequency, and they have decided that they have to work, and they are doing the work. So if you will be just thinking, making your dreams, and don't doing anything, it won't help you. You have to do something, you have to take some step. Just think what step you can take, and that's it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.